Today we're doing a short and efficient pregnancy power workout. I will use light dumbbells. I'm gonna use 5 pounds. I could go heavier, but I'm gonna keep it lighter so I can go faster and up my cardio. If you don't have dumbbells, you could grab filled water bottles or cans of beans. We'll start with a quick warm up before we grab our dumbbells. We can start circling our arms. Let's go the other way. Good, let's mini squat, exhale, pull your baby in as you lift your knee. Exhale as you lift. Arms nice and wide for a chest stretch, for your hamstring curls. Let's find our balance on one foot. Circle your ankles. Good, going the other way. Switching to the other foot. Other way. Good, we can go ahead and grab our dumbbells. We can take our feet wide apart, slightly turned out, and then coming up on your toes as you reach up. We're gonna alternate curtsy lunge here, upper arm nice and steady as you bicep curl. Keeping your baby pulled in. We're gonna hinge at our hips here, shooting our hips straight back and reverse fly, bringing your scapula together. Exhale as you lift. We can keep our weights down here. We're gonna lunge, exhale, pull in your baby as you bring your knee up. Or you can place your straight leg back if lunges aren't feeling good. Same thing on the other side. Really coordinating your breath and your core movement. I'm going to place down one dumbbell, or you can place down both and do your knee thrusters without a weight at all. You're going to bring your hands towards your knee as you exhale. Little tiny exhales. Go at a speed that feels safe for you. Amazing. Take some deep breaths. You can set up on the other side. Amazing. Let's take a quick sip of water. If you are watching this video in the first couple of days that it's published, I did want to tell you about my Black Friday deals. This is the biggest sale that I do for the year. I give 50% off on all my courses. I have a brand new course for postpartum recovery for the first 6 weeks postpartum, as well as my signature core and postpartum healing program that you start as soon as you're cleared for postpartum exercises. I will link to all those details in the description box below. We can grab our dumbbells again. We're gonna do quadruped push-up with a row, or if it's safe for you, you could do kneeling plank, moving your knees back a little bit. Take the weight of your body in your arms. Weight comes back towards your hip. Switching to the other side. Keeping your baby pulled in, core is strong, not dumping into your lower back at all. Good, we can move our weights out of the way. Setting up for bird dog. On an exhale, opposite arm and leg. Inhale down. Good, move with your breath. Good, now you're gonna take your arm that is farthest away from me or your screen, come down onto your forearm, and you can open up to the front. Keeping your front hand down, let's lift. We're gonna do tiny circles with our top leg. Let's go the other way. A couple more. Good, release down. We can come up on our knees. Let's switch over to the other side. Take a breath here. Re-engage your core, pull your baby in. Lift, tiny circles. Hips are nice and steady. Let's go the other way. Amazing, release down. Let's stretch out through our glutes. We can switch to the other side. Good, let's come sitting on our glutes in a wide-legged forward fold. If you want to put a little pillow or block underneath your sit bones, you can. Sitting tall, let's stretch side to side. Let's come up onto our knees. We can bring one foot forward and then shift our hips into a lunge, pressing your back knee into the ground to protect and not stretch too deeply. We can take a nice side stretch. Exhale, coming up. Let's switch to the other side. And optional side stretch. Exhale, coming up. We can shift our weight back. You did an amazing job, and I hope you're feeling great after that workout. If you haven't seen it yet, I'm going to link in the description box to all the information about my brand new course. It's a step-by-step postpartum recovery system for the first 6 weeks postpartum that will take you until you're ready for postpartum exercise. We do gentle breathing exercises, stretches, meditations, as well as gentle pelvic floor work to give you a jump start on your healing. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.